We are a 20-year-old property in Ellicott City where we serve residents above 55 with a mix of our active members as well. We try to bring them together while still making sure that they feel safe and have their individual homes.
It's all important here. Every entrance is someone's entrance to their home. So you have to make sure that it all looks great all the time. The biggest thing that we can do is just being proactive with things and making sure that we're coming to them with solutions before they need to come to us with anything.
Landscaping plays a big part. Residents and prospective residents, when they pull in, that's the first thing they see is a beautiful property. Landscaping helps with cooling apartments, keeping those temperatures regulated. We have the landscaping around amenities that make it beautiful. It really goes hand in hand with what we do.
The landscape is one of those things where you may not notice it, but it does have an impression. We don't want to be just the company that comes in and cuts your grass and pulls your weed. We want to be an asset for you.
There are a lot of things that we juggle on a day-to-day in the office, and it's always a big help that we don't have to worry about our community shining. We know Level Green's gonna come and step in and make sure that we look tip-top shape and look the best that we can on a day-to-day.